Lepo pozdravljeni, z nami je prostovoljka Violeta iz Poljske, ki opravlja prostovoljno delo v mladinskem centru. Violeta, nam lahko natančno poveš, kaj opravljaš tukaj?
I'm here on EVS program. It's European Union program for youth. Yeah, till 30. And I was here 6 months and soon I'm coming back.
Nam lahko kaj več poveš o projektu Breaking the Wall, Porušimo zidove?
It was main goal to change something in this world, to get know each other more. I came here, I had video, montaging, photo, workshops, also web paging, and I had a blog when I was putting my impressions.
Kako ti je všeč mesto Kamnik in prebivalci mesta?
Very nice place. I will miss it, I'm sure. Very beautiful and people friendly, helpful, open and normal. Yes, and yeah, I'm sure I will remember this place for all my life.
Kaj mogoče lahko izpostaviš v Kamniku oziroma kaj ti je bilo v Kamniku najlepše?
This place, but also Marianca, yes. And I like to spend time in Kotlovnica.
Bi rada še kaj priporočila ostalim prostovoljcem, ki bodo prišli v mesto Kamnik?
I would say for them to have project like mine or even better, and that they will enjoy even more.
Bi rada še kaj sporočila?
Oh, yes. Hvala Kotlovnica team, hvala DKK, especially Goran, my mentor, and hvala all people that I met here, and hvala Kamniku.